Alright, good morning, guys. It is now the 8th of January. It's a Wednesday. We'll do a quick market review, see what's going on. Kick off here with gold. Alright, let's see what we got. See, we got previous week high here. We almost ran it. Daily low over here, daily high. Some 4-hour fair value gaps. To be honest, I'd only be looking for longs out of here. Maybe like this. This fair value gap for sure. And then if we look at the 1.2 here, it's 83%. If we take the high, that'll run us into this 4-hour gap over here. So I think that could make sense. Let's see how far this is. 0.78%. I mean, that's realistic for one day. So yeah, I'll just be focusing on the longs here. But I probably wouldn't. I mean, ideally you would want to see like a little run down into this liquidity, like right here, push up. Gold looks good for longs. Let's have a look at NASDAQ. We did have quite a nasty push down yesterday. Got our daily low here, daily high. Big 4-hour fair value gap that hasn't been touched yet. If we look at our daily candles here, kind of a push up. I would really be watching to see how we react in this 4-hour fair value gap. So we push up in here and start creating some bearish structure, then I would be looking at the low over here to be run, and then longer side targets here 83%, and then we have initial low liquidity here at, what is that, 141, 21, 144. So you could, I'd be watching for something like this, and then maybe a push down at open. I think we have some news today. Maybe not. I'll be looking for something like that. If we come up, if we close through this 4-hour fair value gap, then I'll be looking for these high targets here. But I don't. With this kind of drop, it doesn't seem super likely. I'm more inclined to think that we'll come down into this low side liquidity down here. Alright, let's have a look at Bitcoin. So Bitcoin went on quite a tear yesterday. I think we moved down 6.5%, which is quite a lot. So it looks like we've already taken previous day low. Yeah. So I probably wouldn't touch Bitcoin, to be honest. But we could, this tiny amount of internal liquidity here. But I would be kind of expecting to move back up here. I think this 4-hour fair value gap would be quite key. If we reject out of here, so I would only be looking for positions once we get back in here. So I'd be looking for maybe some bearish structure to form for a push further down. I do still have those older targets around 85,000 on the short side. But if we come up here and we just close through these 4-hour fair value gaps, then we'll probably go and test the high again. Probably looking for that 110 level. Okay, ES, I mean, kind of similar to NQ really. I'd want to see them run up into this 4-hour fair value gap and then push down here to this 1.2 level. US30 did go short, kind of like what we were talking about yesterday. We have internal liquidity here, and then our external liquidity is down here on the downside, so probably be looking for something like this. Something along those lines. We'd want to see how it respects this fair value gap. If we get it closed through the fair value gap, I'd probably be a little cautious, but if it runs through and then closes inside, kind of like just wicks over the top, then I think that would be good for a short down here to this 1.2 level. Okay, let's see. I think that's it for now, guys. So I'm watching longs on gold, shorts on NASDAQ in this fair value gap. I don't think I'll touch Bitcoin, but I'll only be looking for something in this 4-hour fair value gap once we get there. US30 same, I'd probably be focused on shorts around the 4700s in that area up there. Alright guys, I'll catch you later.